So there are indicators that are going to use in order to identify a solution, whether it is acid or base. So for today we are going to use litmus paper. Of course, litmus paper is not the only indicator, but also there are other indicators like methyl orange and phenolphthalein. But for today we are going to use only a litmus paper. So we have universal litmus paper, the yellow color, and we have red litmus paper, especially this one is responsible to identify base solution, and we have also blue litmus paper. This one is also, it is very important to identify an acid solution. So we have some chemicals, hydrochloric acid, and this one is a mixture of calcium hydroxide and water, and we call it lime water. This one is juice of lemon and orange, and the last one is liquid soap. So to identify such solutions, whether they are acid or base, we are going to use a litmus paper. So here, for instance, let me add some HCl or hydrochloric acid. Here, for this one. And then first, let's use the universal one. The universal litmus paper. So if this universal litmus paper changes from yellow to red color, the solution is acid. So as you see now, the universal litmus paper changed into red. So HCl is an acid. And also let's use the other litmus paper, the blue one. The blue. And this blue litmus paper, if changed again into red, so that chemical solution is what? Acid. So as you see now, this litmus paper changed into red, so this solution is an acid. Let's see the second one, the lime water, mixture of calcium hydroxide and water. Let's use for this one red litmus paper. If this red litmus paper changed into blue, so this solution belongs to what? Base. So we see now that the red litmus paper starts to change its color into blue. So of course calcium hydroxide is mixed, since it is mixed with water, it can reduce its what you call it, basicity. But still, the litmus paper, as you see now, is changed into blue. So this solution is what? It is base. The base. Let's check the chemical substance found in the juice of lemon or orange. So to identify the chemical substance found in the juice of lemon or orange, we are going to use blue litmus paper. So if this blue litmus paper changed into what we call it, red. So the chemical substance found in this juice is what? It is an acid. So as you see now, the blue litmus paper is immediately changed into what? Red color. So there is an acid within the juice of lemon or orange. The last one is, as I told you before, it is a liquid soap. So to identify from which type of chemical substance this liquid soap produced or not, we are going to use the litmus paper, especially let's use red litmus paper. So if this red litmus paper changed into blue, of course soaps, they are made up of what?
Potassium hydroxide.
They are made up of base. They are made up of what? Base. So as you see now, this red litmus paper is immediately changed into blue. You see? Blue. See? So to conclude our today's experiment, when we use red litmus paper in a solution, if that red litmus paper changed or converted into blue, so the solution is what? Base. And when we use blue litmus paper in a solution, when that blue litmus paper changes into red color, so that solution is what? Acid. When we use universal litmus paper, when this universal litmus paper, when we insert in a solution, if it is changed into blue color, so that the solution is base. And when this universal litmus paper again, when we insert in a given solution, if it is changed into red, so that solution is what?
Acid.
So this is all about for today. Until next time, bye.